full Eddie here. It's like
Where's the
mannequin challenge.
Alright, how long do I do that? Try to get shit done. Where's the other?
So, is that a race car? Holy shit.
Let's do as long as possible. Is it No Shave November or what's going on? Alright, so what we gotta do is move the radiator.
Yeah, real shit. That make it a lot easier.
Why is it angled like that? Slip it through. Oh! Who's a genius?
There went my bolt.
Alright, well,
Now it shows me a bolt, so that's good.
Okay, this is actually really well engineered, Ed. So you're just an asshole.
It's a super up. Scratch the whole thing up. That's
Is that right, bro? So we just put this on the new. Do we install the lower or the top first? I'll think the lower, right?
Yeah, probably. Alright, we gotta put the gasket in here.
Ed knows best. I can't believe how restrictive that is.
Freaking hate this shit. Should just have IAG do it.
Right. Hey, that's pretty good.
Wonder if we still need this piece because it came with a. Is that stock? I'm guessing that's stock.
You think?
Because it's. You look for it. I say attach this piece to it. And that's
Got
where.
it.
Huh?
So you got it.
Yes. Why would you doubt me?
I hate these freaking clamps. Should be using 8 mil. This is actually crucial.
Yeah, that matters a lot, Ed. There you go.
You wanna tighten it? I'll just hold this in place.
Well, it looks a little long, but
Oh, I guess this is why they had this piece, maybe? I don't know.
just in case. Well, don't torque it down yet because we don't know which way it has to face.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So you're gonna go bolt it in?
How the are we gonna bolt this back in?
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, there's room, I guess. It's really slim.
Yeah, but how are we gonna connect it to the? Hold on. So we figured everything out. How do you feel, Ed?
Relieved.
It's a professional job if I've ever seen it. Oh no.
Oh, she's free. Sorry.
Is that tight or?
No.
You just tighten it now?
Yeah. Since there's a gasket, we want to have an even tightness.
Yeah.
If you get a boost leak on this beast, say goodbye. Freaking Fiesta will beat you. No offense to any bitch ass owners out there. I know. Let me get mad heat on this joint.
Hell yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
I'd like to apologize.
I actually didn't mean it, guys. Those are cool as shit.
Just know, I mean it.
Oh, fuck.
Little PRL charge pipe.
We lost a bolt today. Let's check the fitment. Alright, we have an issue. It really doesn't. Fuck.
Yes, it does.
It's like, seriously, it's just tight as shit.
Come on, Eddie, use the muscles.
Ed, where's all this UPS training? Huh? Oh!
It's right there, bitch. Alright, let's check fitment. Start it up. So
Alright, take it to 30 psi and then we'll see if it busts. Ed, what happened, dude?
Prop popped off on Prince Street. Didn't connect it tight enough.
And then what happened?
This right here just decided didn't want to be on. Car lost power right away. Popped so loud. Blew my motor. My turbo.
And then dogs started chasing you. You had to run the whole ways of the fucking shop. So, you should probably carry a flathead in your trunk from now on so you don't have to run 3 blocks. You good? Alright, we're gonna keep this rolling in case this happens again.
Start off in semi boosters.
Oh, look at that little car right there. Break her in.
Alright, we hit
What did we hit there?
21 pounds. Low boost spike.
Oh, can we go to the food truck? Holy shit, that's really fast.
That was 75% throttle there.
We're pulling through all the gears.
Getting it Pro Tune Tuesday.
Tuesday Pro Tune, putting parts on. Ed gets his hair done.
EGR. He's a conservative young bull. Alright, well,
I think we're good.
turbo's running really well right now. I'm gonna keep off of it till it's tuned.
Like you are now.
Unless I see a bull trying to race.